What are your thoughts about Hurricane Irma?
Totally overrated for Florida, but the islands got pummeled, so that was kind of sad to see. Too much coverage, too much news coverage. People got way freaked out.
Did Jasooper get badly damaged?
Nope, just a fallen palm tree in a pot, and that's it. But no damage at all.
What is the Jasooper Red Cross doing to help?
Donating money to the American Red Cross so they can disperse supplies that are needed to those in the really, really destroyed areas of Florida and the Keys.
Has Jasooper done any donating?
Not yet. We need to figure out how much we're going to do and if we're just going to do a general donation or a specific one.
Okay. Did the Jasooper Red Cross do anything to help in Jasooper?
Well, there wasn't really anything to do. I guess Jasooper's Red Cross picked up the fallen palm tree, but for the most part there was no damage or aid that needed to be supplied, so they were pretty much on the bench.
Do you think that the animals and citizens of Jasooper were badly affected?
Not at all. Princess Parker and her three-legged mentality said, it's just rain and wind, no big deal. And she still went outside to do her business. She got wet, came inside with a big old smile on her face.
Is there any damage in the general area of Jasooper?
There was a fallen tree actually at the end of our property, at the end of our kingdom. A tree had fallen down, but some of the servants that we have on our property took care of the limbs and the leaves and moved it out of the way so that our chariots, our four-wheeled chariots, could move in and out of the parking lot.
Will all government process resume from this point on?
Oh, absolutely. There actually was no disruption in its political process at all, and it was able to maintain its governing body throughout the entire storm.
Will this affect our food supplies?
No, thankfully the kingdom stocked up before the storm came and the grocery stores closed. We could actually survive in here for probably a good 2 weeks with all the food that we have.
All right. Do you think that Jose could hit us?
Nope, it looks like, according to the NOAA track, NOAA, National Oceanic something Atmospheric Agency, I believe that's what it stands for. Yes, right on. They have it being tracked to kind of do a little curlicue out back into the Atlantic and possibly right on top of itself and away from Jasooper.
If it does hit us, possibly, and it does affect us, what do you think we will do to help our nations come back?
Well, if anybody gets damaged or destroyed, or anybody's property gets damaged or destroyed, we'll definitely help them. And if they need food or water or any kind of aid, we'll definitely be here to help them out.
Okay, thank you, King Jason.
Hey, it's my pleasure.